this video, we're going to discuss about the botanical gardens in taxonomy and systematic botany, in plant morphology and taxonomy of angiosperm. Botanical gardens. In true sense, all gardens are not botanical gardens. So we have seen so many gardens and parks. So all are not considered as botanical gardens. So botanical gardens are the center of collection of plants in their various stages of living. So botanical gardens means it is a collection of plants at various stages. So you can see the seedling stage and you can see the mid stage of the plant and the tree. So the entire stages, various stages of the living plants can be seen in the gardens, botanical gardens. Gardens exist for growing ornamental plants for aesthetic value, religious and status reasons. So the gardens, why we are keeping gardens? To ornamental, that is ornamental plants. We grow ornamental plants and for their aesthetic value, that is aesthetic and their religious value also we are keeping it. And for status region, all the reasons also we are keeping this gardens. Okay, the famous hanging garden of Babylon in Mesopotamia is an example for the purpose of science and education. The first garden was maintained by Theophorus in his public lecture hall of Athens. So the best example, that is hanging gardens of Babylonia in Mesopotamia. It is also considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world once upon a time, not now. And for the purpose of the science and education, that is for education and the science, Theophorus had developed a garden for study, to study that in his, that is in the public lecture hall at Athens he had developed. And the first modern botanical garden was established by Luca Ghini in 1490 to 1556. A professor of botany at Pisa, Italy, in 1544. So the modern botanical garden was established, that is who established this modern botanical garden is Luca Ghini, 1490 to 1556, and he is a professor of botany at Pisa or Pisa, that is Italy in 1544. Botanical garden contains special plant collections such as cacti, succulent, greenhouse, shadow house, tropical, alpine and exotic plants. So all type of plants, especially the special collection of plants are also can be seen. So cactus plant is there, succulents are there, and they can maintain the greenhouse, shade house, that is shade house is also, because some of the plants will love the shady atmosphere. Due to that, for that reason they are giving the shade house, tropical, alpine and exotic plants have been grown in the botanical gardens. Worldwide there are about 1800 botanical gardens and arboreta, that is botanical gardens and arboreta, it deals with the trees. So you can see the botanical gardens. So here a small view of botanical garden. So you can see this National Botanical Garden which is located, that is National Botanical Garden means in India where it is located. You can see this National Botanical Garden Lucknow. So established in 1948, and Arboretum. 800 species of trees have been seen and 500 species of rose hybrid can be developed here. More attractive germplasm collection and ex situ conservation has been done in this gardens. And next one, this side, we will come to this side. Okay, the next one, AJCB, that is in, so it is a botanical garden at Kolkata, that is Indian Botanical Garden at Kolkata, established in 1786 by L.T. Call Robert Kuhn. The largest and the oldest one in this garden. Here 15,000 species of plants And major attraction, that is attraction, the great banyan tree was seen here in this garden. And here we will come. JNTBGRI, Trivandrum, Kerala, established in 1979, conserving the tropical plant genetic resources, 4,000 species of flowering plants and 300 species of non-flowering plants, and the major attraction, that is Bambushitian, 69 species. And the next one is the national orchid, that is Orchidarium Erkadu, established in 1963, maintained by the Southern Circle of BSI, 3,000 trees and 1,800 shrubs, and major attraction, that is insectivorous plants, have been seen here. So these are the plant, that is National Botanical Garden, which was in India. The role of botanical garden. So botanical garden plays the following important role. First one is gardens with aesthetic value, which attract a large number of visitors. So due to the aesthetic value and the pleasant view, most of the visitor can be attracted by the gardens. You can see the botanical garden in Ooty, Erkadu, Pollachi. So they are very pleasant. So most of the visitors and the foreigners will visit the gardens. For example, the Great Banyan Tree, Ficus bengalensis, is the Indian Botanical Garden at Calcutta. So because of the Great Banyan Tree, which was seen in the Indian Botanical Garden, for this the visitors will be going there in Calcutta. So the gardens have a wide range of species and supply taxonomical material for botanical research. So the botanical garden is also considered as one of the aid, okay, but taxonomical aid. So because of this, the taxonomist can able to easily research the plants. So gardens is used for self-instruction, that is instruction or demonstration purposes. So the gardens are used for self-instruction. So they can instruct, no? So you are keeping a garden, you can instruct it. Here this cactus has to come, here the flowering plants has to come, here non-flowering, like that you can instruct it. And you can keep the crockery gardens also, also for demonstration purpose also. It can integrate the information of diverse fields like anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry, cytology, physiology and ecology. So it can combine all these branches of biology, that is botany. So it can integrate, and due to that is it giving information to these departments also. Act as a conservation center for biodiversity, rare and endangered species. So it can able to conserve the diversity. If any plant is in endanger, that plants can be preserved. So if the rare plants are found, that can be preserved in this garden. It offers annual list of available species and free exchange of seeds. So you can see how many species are available, and the exchange of seeds can be also takes place through the gardens. So botanical garden give information about the method of propagation, sale of plant material to the general public. So it also gives the information, and it creates the nursery. Through that it can able to sell the plants materials to the public. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, England, is a non-departmental public body in United Kingdom. So it is not a public body, okay, in England, in United Kingdom. It is the largest botanical garden in the world, established in 1760 but officially opened in the year 1846. So it was the Royal Botanical Garden. It was established in 1760 but officially it was opened in 1841. So plant collections including the aquatic garden, arboretum with 14,000 trees, bonsai collections, cat key collections and carnivorous plant collections are seen in here. Okay. So this is the Royal Botanical Garden view, which was located in the Kew, London. that is England. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post the doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.